Kijana mwa. Your Excellency, the Deputy President, the Honorable Rigathi Gachagua, and all protocols observed, I'm so happy to be here. And Your Excellency, you're not only a truthful man, you're also an honorable man. For you to come here to your old school to be with these boys and to enter them and to inspire them. I am challenged, and Your Excellency, I was in the Limuru Girls High School, and I am challenged, and I am planning to go there. I talk to the girls, niwafundishe kukaa ngumu, si ndio? And then Your Excellency, because I'm the last one to speak, allow me to say in Nairobi, sisi tunamon, and as a family tunamon kifo ya kijana anaitwa Jeff Mwathi, ambayo ni kijana mdogo kama hawa, ambaye amelewa na mama yake with a lot of love. Alafu tumeona kitendo ambayo imefanyika kwake, and because I have been involved from day one at Kasarani Police Station, I can confirm, Your Excellency, that the police at Kasarani Police Station were involved in a cover-up of the murder of this young boy. And we are requesting you, Your Excellency, when the culprits, those involved in the murder, once they take plea, Your Excellency, tunataka utusaidie hapo Kasarani Police Station. Tunataka uchunguzi na streamlining ifanyiwe hapo, kwa sababu hiyo community hapo hakuna police station. In fact, nimeona watu wanaandika kwa Facebook yangu, hiyo police station ifungwe, mfungue soko hapo Kasarani. But Your Excellency, we trust you na tunajua wewe ni kanda ya wira. Thank you very much.